Hey there, let's tackle a common problem that many users encounter with their HDDs and SSDs. Picture this. You're trying to access data on your hard drive connected via a USB SATA adapter, but you're unable to do so because of an elusive hardware password set on the drive. The drive spins up but remains inaccessible, hinting at the password barrier. Fret not, as there might be a solution to this pesky problem. The key to unlocking this puzzle lies in utilizing the SAT pass-through method for newer J-micron USB SATA adapters. On Linux, tools like POWRM come to the rescue, enabling you to send ATA commands through scsi shells. By executing specific commands like POWRM security unlock foo dest, you can potentially unlock the drive by bypassing the password protection. Subsequently, running a POWRM devst sed security $p allows you to check the security status of the drive post-unlock attempt. This method leverages scsi ATA pass-through to communicate with a connected hard drive seamlessly. In summary, when faced with password-protected hard drives connected via USB SATA adapters, Linux offers a viable solution using tools like POWRM to unlock and manage the security settings. However, for Windows users, direct access to send ATA security commands via raw scsi IO seems to be restricted. In such cases, resorting to a Linux VM within VirtualBox with USB pass-through capabilities could be the workaround. Hopefully, this information helps you navigate through similar challenges with your hard drives. Stay tuned for more tech tips, and remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Until next time, happy troubleshooting!